There you go.
Oh! It looks like a tarantula. That right there is a shark egg. Look at that. Low-key want to do it, but I don't even want to risk it. We have crossed the number.
Oh, you ain't done yet.
Now, how the heck? I've never seen an eel bagged before.
So this one, as it gets big, it's gonna get really nice black on the outline.
What is going on, Crows? Welcome back to another video. I've made the 2.5-hour drive to Top Shelf Aquatics. I've got my gift cards from when we built the tank. Thousands of dollars in gift cards ready to spend and get some more fish. It's been months, we haven't got fish. The first initial fish stocking in coral went great, everything looks great. But it's time to get more. I have no idea what I'm walking in here and getting into. I literally don't know what I'm buying, but I'm sure the boys are in here ready to sell me some stuff. I have never seen that in my life. A feather starfish?
Yep.
Yo, look, it looks like a tarantula. What in the heck? Yo, that's some trippy stuff to look at. And look at all the shark eggs. Oh, that one's a baby. That one's really small still. You got some shark eggs in there, and then this is the largest shark egg that you've even seen, right?
Yeah, I've never brought one in before, just because one, they're pretty expensive, but also not everyone has the space for a zebra shark. I mean, that thing's gonna get like 8 feet. Like, that's gonna be massive. But we had a customer special requested, so we brought it in, and thing took up like a whole 5-gallon bucket.
That right there is a shark egg. It's about as big as my hand. Zebra shark.
It's super thick too, like you can't see through it at all. Like these ones over here, the banded cats, you can see those really easily, but that, it's so thick, you can't see into that.
Hey, there's a zebra eel. The problem is my zebra eel's at my buddy Nick's house, and it is super hard to get out of the tank. There's about no getting it out. It's just in the rocks, tied in the rocks, and look, they have some zebra eels right here. How much are those?
Yeah, I got them at $275.
Yeah, let's definitely do one of those. We need a zebra eel. I initially planned on going to get mine, but it's just so hard to catch them. We've already tried to catch them before we even had the lid to see how it would go. It's almost impossible. You ever try to catch an eel?
Yes, it's very difficult.
Yeah, it's tough.
Well, zebra eels, they're like little puppies.
Yeah, they are. And they're one of the only eels that won't mess with my reef fish.
Yeah. Or your hand when you try to feed.
Yeah. I love feeding them. Watching them crunch crabs is fun. Cryptic 6 line?
Yeah, so like a lot of people usually go with the regular 6 line or like a possum wrasse, but this is like the most unique one in that family. It's most desired one, so it's definitely super hard to come by right now, so I definitely recommend that one.
All right, cool. So by the time you're watching this, you already know that I have bought this and surprised my friend with it. If you guys want to watch that video, I'll have a link down in the description down below. Hand feeding seaweed?
Yeah, probably doesn't.
Oh wow. He really goes at it.
Dude, if you put on the seaweed clip, he actually breaks the magnet. He pulls so hard on it.
Dude, that thing is nuts. Look at that. What kind of grouper is that?
Miniatus grouper.
Miniatus? Joey gets to pick this. My older brother's picking the wrasse.
All right, so we got the orange back, the velvet.
I saw him. He's been looking at the freaking, what is it called? The orange back?
Yeah, orange back fairy wrasse.
Orange back fairy wrasse. We're getting that guy right there.
Yep. His name will be Jim.
Jim?
Jim.
All right, you guys can't name that one. You can name all the others. Jim the wrasse.
We're doing that, the cryptic 6 line, the zebra eel.
This little guy right here. Captive raised?
Yeah, captive bred biota. They're down in Fort Lauderdale. Then they also have a place over overseas.
So there's a lot less chances because typically if you catch one of those in the wild, it's gonna eat coral.
They've been eating coral their whole life. So this fish has actually never seen coral a day in its life. Between going from the breeder to here, it's never seen coral.
Like I low-key want to do it, but I don't even want to risk it. I feel like it could just be in their blood. They're just like, oh, I'm eating that coral. And we want to do coral. So although that would be really cool, I don't think we should, we definitely shouldn't do that.
But this one usually is not as aggressive as other encanthers. So like if you wanted to do like an Achilles tang or powdered brown, those are gonna be super aggressive. Gem tangs, purple tangs, super aggressive.
Yeah, we'll probably just stick with the mimic tang.
And that's that one that grows.
Oh yeah.
So I would say either pick that one or that one. I wouldn't do both.
I'm gonna go with the mimic.
Okay.
I like the yellow better, more vibrant. I like that.
As he gets bigger, he's just gonna go straight red, bright yellow eyes. But what's good about them is they're really good algae eaters. They're probably the best algae eating fish because it's a bristle-tooth tang. That's pretty much all they do is just pick all day.
What is this one?
That's a crescent tail wrasse.
Crescent tail, so we get that wrasse and another one. It's a good trip. I consider that a good trip. The eel really makes it for me. I know.
You gotta get some coral.
All right, let's get a little bit of coral. We got 6 fish, we'll get some coral.
Bloodsuckers, these guys grow really fast, but they're really vibrant. Gotta grab a Recordia. It's a Florida Recordia. So
Florida Recordia, we definitely need one of those. My camera doesn't like to focus. Oh, look at these guys. They're real like shredded the gnar, dude. Look at that. Yeah, dude. Gobstopper? Sounds like a candy. Let's do it.
All right. First we get the orangeback fairy wrasse. Gotta make sure he doesn't jump out the tank.
Oh wow, he's quick. Hey. All right, one wrasse down. I think we have 2 others, right? Yeah. Yep, 2 other wrasse. Then we got some cool stuff. How many fish do you think you bagged?
In my life?
Yep.
Thousands.
Thousands. That's why you could bag a fish and I can't. How fast can you edit a YouTube video?
Never even tried. But not true, but probably days.
That's another big thing when you're creating YouTube videos. As you're filming, I'm also editing it in my head. So I remember how to like lay everything out.
All right, next we're gonna do the crescent tail wrasse. This one, as it gets big, it's gonna get really nice black on the outline. So those vibrant pinks and oranges are gonna come out really nice.
This is Jim, Joey. Look at Jim. Jim. Jim's like on the floor when I get home. Yeah. I'm like, Jim, no. Oh yeah, and this lighting really shows that fish's color. Wow. And that's what that becomes? Yep. Wow. Oh.
Super pretty.
I can't wait, dude. That's beautiful. See you later, buddy. I need you to name that one for me, Cuffaros. Drop a comment. Although the first video we did blew up. That video absolutely killed it.
I was very surprised. I started getting recognized at places. They're like, were you in that Cuffaro video? And I was like, all right, how many views? I didn't look for a while. And I checked, it was like 500,000. I was like, okay, that explains that.
We have like a good selection of fish right there. And the eel.
How can we forget?
You almost did.
I did almost forget. I feel like part of the reason the video blew up last time is we had that challenge for the shark egg. Everybody wanted that shark egg. I feel like we need a new challenge. 30,000 last time?
Yeah.
All right, let's do 30,000 again.
Okay. All right, let's see what we can get at 30,000 likes.
Gem tang?
Oh, yeah. You better smash that like button, Cuffaros. Let me tell you. $1,000 fish. Right there. Gem tang. Beautiful. I'm gonna pop a picture up on what these things look like a little bit larger, that way we can get a better view. $1,000 fish, smash the like button, and we have to get it. 30,000 likes.
I think you guys can do it. Definitely did it last time.
We did it with the shark egg. Y'all blew up the likes, blew up the comments, so we ended up coming back, and now that's why we have a shark egg. By the way, we'll obviously give you an update on that once we get back home. The shark's way bigger, it's doing fantastic. Probably gonna hatch within the next month or 2. I mean, at least it looks like it, maybe 2 months.
I would just say if you see that yolk go away, you actually can cut it out.
Cut it out.
Yeah.
I was doing some research. I was looking at videos and stuff on how to do it, just in case. Yeah. Once the yolk disappears.
And give it like a week after that.
Yeah.
But if it's still not out, I would say after, is it still on a clip?
Yeah.
I would say once the yolk's gone, take it off the clip so he has both ends, he can come out.
And just let it drop.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. I will get one of these.
Just pop it in there.
Put the egg in there. All right, dope. I used to have these for mollies and platies when I was breeding mollies and platies. Oh, there you go. Oh. I love how they eat their prey. Just It's time, guys. We got distracted by a mantis shrimp, but we're getting a zebra eel. And they're tying up in the rocks because they don't want to leave. Now, how the heck? I've never seen an eel bagged before. Oh! That is sick. Oh, yeah. We got an eel. I'm stoked to have that.
This is definitely gonna be a cool addition.
I had it in my old saltwater tank, like I had mentioned. We were actually initially gonna get that one back, but it's so comfortable now with Nick's eels in his tank. I don't wanna end up digging through his tank, destroying all his structure, and it's a pain to get an eel out of the rocks. So I think we're better off just spending the 275 bucks off the gift card and getting ourselves a zebra eel. Look at that. Look at that selection right there. Probably a couple $1,000. We're running those gift cards dry. That was awesome. Thank you, boys. Appreciate it.
Oh, $6.
Oh, yeah. My favorite part. What's the damage? Coral, fish, eel.
I think this is actually my favorite part.
Probably. Let's see. Let's add it up. We have crossed the number.
Oh, you ain't done yet.
This is your favorite part.
I told you, man. This is my favorite part. And what's the name of it? Oh.
I don't know which gift card has the money on it.
Okay.
So we're gonna give the $1,000 one a try.
All right, swipe it for me.
Hopefully that brings that down to 235. That's what I'm talking about right there.
Never to be seen again.
All right, this one's garbage. We're down one of them. I don't even know what they got left. Can we check that?
Yeah.
That one has $688 left.
Okay.
Okay. I think we got enough for like one more fish trip.
Oh, you got that's
you gotta-
3 trips.
That's
Three trips.
Yes, sir.
I gotta
Okay.
get my money back.
All right, we're still in it. We're still in it. Now, if this video hits 30,000 likes, that number will go away and we'll be left with that. We are back at the 1000 Red Sea tank right here. This is my massive, beautiful saltwater reef tank. It's come so far, it looks amazing. As you can see, the Mexican turbo snails, we got the starfish burying himself right there. Of course, conchs in here. All of our beautiful corals. Speaking about corals, I literally just put in all the corals we got. All 5 or 6, I think we had. And that is all the coral. I got my iPhone to show you the corals and where they're placed because it zooms in a lot better. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another one up there. And we also did one down here. Our anemone is all scrunched up, hiding from the light. Oh, and a shark. As you can see, our shark egg. Still got a couple more weeks to go for sure. You can see the yolk sac right there, but the shark is looking good. We obviously have our zebra eel at the top right here. All of our new fish that are about to go in right now. Hawkfish is checking everyone out. He's like, whoa, look at all these new fish. Look at all my beautiful fish. Of course, we have our fish that like to hide as well back there. I see you back there, buddy. Oh, hello. That's Jacques the shrimp. He's back there as well. I tell you what, these fish are gonna be a great addition to this tank. It's much needed. We're gonna save the eel for last just because that's the finale. Let's start off with our beautiful, one of our beautiful tangs here. Look at that pretty little guy. Come on, bud. There he goes. The colors of this fish in this aquarium with the lights. I love that blue trim around his eyes, his gill plates, and his back fins. The fish at the aquarium shop were actually nipping at his fin, and that's why his fin has that little bit of marking on it, but that will heal. Next up, we're just gonna do all 3 of the wrasse. Look at how pretty those colors are. We got the red, the blue, the orange, such a pretty fish. There we go. Look at them right next to each other. So pretty. Come on, show us your side. There you are, buddy. You look like a little molly. Really, really tiny. My favorite is the orange back fairy wrasse. This guy that we're about to put in right now. All the wrasse are in a group. In a giant group. All of our new fish are literally right there. All right, the moment everyone's been waiting for. Zebra eel. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you've been waiting weeks for the one I was gonna put in here. Can't wait to see it in this tank. He's got a lot of different crevices and rocks and holes that he can go and hide in. And I know he's gonna love it. Go, buddy. Oh yeah, that is awesome. I can't wait till he gets more comfortable. Makes a little spot in the rocks. As you can see, look at all those holes. But there he is, he's exploring his new tank. Nemo. A little shrimp just came out of the bag with the eel. And the hawkfish got that ghost shrimp that came with the eel. You could see a lot more movement in the tank since we've got the more fish. It definitely needs more. When I mean this tank is big, it's very, very big. You need a lot of fish to show movement. In person, it's a lot better looking than it is on camera. It also looks smaller on camera. I'm gonna pick up the camera in a couple days and give you guys an update on what's going on with the tank because I like to see the fish when they're a little bit more comfortable. It is about a week later. Tank looks amazing. Obviously, we have the blue lights on right now. There's some wrasse right down there. We have the tang back there as well. There is Jim. What's going on, Jimmy? Hey. I actually got the eel who hides under this giant rock right here to eat today. Give it some oomph, buddy. Give it some oomph. There it goes. See you later. Great sign. Thank you all so much for watching today's fish stocking video. We literally needed that so bad and we need more. More to come. We have more money on the gift card. So subscribe down below if you haven't already. Smash the like button for me. Go check out the merch. Just got a bunch of stuff that's new on the site. I've been mentioning I was going to do that for a little bit, but I just haven't really said anything. They're getting made for myself right now, so I don't even have them yet. Once I get them, I'll definitely show the new stuff to you guys and then promote it. That's PokeFarobrand.com. Get yourself some merch and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!